Most people think their finances fail because they don't make enough money. That's not why. The truth is, they never actually change their habits. They never change their mentality. They get frustrated, they burn out, and they quit way too early. So I'm doing something different. 20 days, 20 videos, 20 chances to get your money right. And honestly, mine too. I'm not a guru, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a working class guy who screwed up money, I fixed it, and I screwed it up again. But I've learned a lot along the way. I've had hard crashes and some big wins. I've eaten in soup kitchens, and I've dined in upscale restaurants. I've owned great cars, and yeah, I've taken the bus. I know a lot of you are in the same boat. You're tired of feeling behind, tired of feeling like you're doing everything right, and you still can't get ahead. But if you think about it, diets don't succeed in a week. Education never ends, and kingdoms are not built overnight. So why is it that we expect our finances to magically fix themselves? Take a look around you. Success happens when people commit, when they take that first step, and then they keep going. So, I'm committing to 20 real financial video dives over the next 20 days. I respect your time, so these are going to be focused, practical thoughts, not your rambling lectures, because consistency is how real change happens. This challenges me, proving that small, repeated actions beat big emotional efforts every time. So every day we'll break down one real financial concept. We'll cover saving money, debt reduction, earning more, and of course your financial mindset. We'll do it using real numbers, real mistakes, and real wins. No fluff, no buy my course. Just the stuff that actually works in real life, because I've lived it. Simple, real ideas to earn more, owe less, and live better. Some videos will hit, some won't. But just like life, the process is the point. If you want to follow along, just hit that subscribe button and stick with me for the next 20 days. I'm going to do this challenge with you. I'm learning, adjusting, and improving right alongside you. By the end of the challenge, I think you'll look back and say, I'm actually better off than when I started. So if you've ever felt stuck financially, this series is for you. Let's forward something real, and let's do it together.